So this is an ArcGIS interface. When you go to content, you can see various maps you have worked on. This is recent earthquake maps when I worked this for BD assignment. This will direct you to open map viewer. You have to go and select open map viewer, and you can see different layers formed here around the map. You can toggle through layers, tables, base maps. You can choose different base maps here. That is, yes. You can see light gray canvas. You can see terrain with labels, topographic, streets. Yeah, so we'll just explore the labels here with basic map. That is topographic. This is different recent earthquake points with the magnitude. The red ones which you see is with the highest magnitude. The gray ones are with the lowest magnitude, and then increasing simultaneously with blue and red, yellow. You can see the labels and styles from here. You can change styles as well, location single symbol as well. It will take time. These are the counterpoints. You can see 94 to 265. It will label according to these. This is the color palette it has chosen for itself. So yes, you can see various different features. This is recent earthquake points. It has covered a wide area wherever the recent earthquakes has occurred. You can see it is connecting some points and areas around in here. It is showing the range of earthquakes in that locality. So yes, you can see the legend, what is happening, and to get an idea of what is happening around in the map, you can save and open. Yes, this shows it around the world. In United States, you can see almost the gray areas are, and it is around the coastal areas like Los Angeles and San Diego. Around 4.6 magnitude of earthquakes it has registered. So yeah, that's about the tutorial of YouTube video.